Human babies can often surprise us. The same, it turns out, is true for non-humans. Today, our Pet Vet on Call has a fun fact for us about whale babies.
When a human baby is born, they automatically weigh it and measure it. And that is a parameter for the health of the baby. Is it growing okay? Is it not? How much they need to really take care of it. A human baby weighs 7 to 9 pounds, 19 to 20 inches, and they monitor that as it grows. Now, a whale baby can be up to 23 feet long and weigh up to 3 tons. How's that for bragging rights? And it drinks up to 100 gallons of milk a day and grows up to a ton every 10 days. Now that's a big baby.
Good thing you don't need big diapers. We invite questions from anyone. If you have one, just send it to PetVet, KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. Look at this. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this female short-haired kitten. Her name is Emma, and the shelter says she's very loving and playful. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Butterball. Yeah, with a D. He's a Carolina dog and husky mix, only about 4 months old. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?